up, everybody? This is James, and it is 2018, and I haven't shot a video yet showing you our garden, so this is it. First video of the year. Garden's looking great. Spreading lots of wood chips, working hard, and we have 7 new chickens. I want to show you those girls too, so let's take a quick tour. After a year, the wood chips are really doing very well as far as protecting the soil and retaining water, and the ground beneath is so very soft, it's amazing. I'm going to show you right here. Get down in there, see all the worms, the mycelium, and look at this spongy soft soil. Oh, it's so nice. There's worms all over the place. So we've been spreading wood chips like crazy, planting. We got some composted wood chips that we made some beds out of this year. We got a bunch of leeks. I don't know how well you can see them in here. A bunch of onions. They're just coming up. It's been a late season in Vermont, and you got to work with what you got, you know what I'm saying? So we got some straw, we got some corn over here. Got some beds over there with zucchini, summer squash, a bed of Brussels sprouts, then we got a bed of broccoli, got some dinosaur kale here that's looking real good, some Bates kale, and we've already harvested broccoli this year, and it's not even July, so that's good for our growing season, especially we don't use greenhouses. Here's some cabbages we got, purple cabbages, seem to be doing really well. More broccoli, some kohlrabi, and our tomatoes aren't looking great, but things are slowly coming to life. It's been a late year for everybody, as I just mentioned. The weather's been really tough on growing things. I laid down some straw here to act as just weed killer, grass killer. And eventually that'll become a bed. We laid down some more hay here, not straw, I mean. And then you see I got another bed of composted wood chips, and there's some small purple cabbages, caraflex cabbage in there, and we also have some leeks down here. Alright, there's another angle. Here is the herb garden. And I want to show you the contrast. You see, these wood chips are last year's wood chips. These are the composted wood chips we recently got. And my dear girl, Katie, spread all these here, worked really hard. Good job, Katie. Looks great, killing the grass. Over here, we have strawberry plants, and they're bearing strawberries. And this is all the composted material, and they're doing pretty well. They should be straw because they are strawberries, but they really like this composted material. And these plants are these strawberries are a year old, so they've really, the deer beat them down to nothing, and they're coming back slowly. Got some blueberry bushes here. Everything looks good. These are our hanging strawberries. We bought 2 of them this year, and I did some multiplication and added 4 more things. And look at this beautiful berry. My God, they love it. Oh, that one's so ripe. It's soft. Came off hard, but it's soft. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Let's check out what's going on in the greenhouse. Here we are in the lovely greenhouse. We got our cucumbers down here. We got to put some more in the ground because a few of them died. It's been a very tough year. Beauregard sweet potatoes here that I'm growing in some pots. Sunflowers, green cabbage and some purple cabbage in there. Then we got a some cantaloupe there, and some watermelon, some more cucumbers, and some zucchini, and a couple other things, some dill, and some more cukes that need to be watered. These chips are, because they lay down so nice over each other, and I mean there's like 5 inches here until I get to the ground. And you can see how they create this nice packed material, but it's aerated, so you can jump on it. Look at, press it down and it springs back. This is some of the material I've raked up. I put into a pile the last of it. I just wanted to show you all this because it's amazing material. Look at that. And I'm going to spread this more on the bed up on the lawn there that has a bunch of greens in it. So this is our chicken pasture. It's where our mature chickens hang out during the day when we're at work. And I want to show you this beautiful little chicken tractor. These are our 7-week-old baby chickens. They're really beautiful. There's 7 of them. 2 Aricanas, 2 Rhode Island Reds, 2 Buff Orpingtons, and 1 black pasture one. We had 8, but we lost one to a raccoon. And they're growing really well, and they're very happy. So this is the inside of the chicken tractor. It's pretty big. As you can see, they knocked over their food dish. Got a baby monitor in there. Got a light. There's cardboard underneath the perches just until they get bigger and they can perch on the logs there.